8 primary schools involving 176 teachers and 1,972 pupils are temporarily closed due to floods and landslides. Among schools that are affected are Sekolah Kebangsaan St. Catherine, SK Gudon, SK Rampayan and SK Natai. Others are SK Sumbiling in Papar, SK Menunggui in Kota Belud and SK Tamalang, SK Lembah Puring in Beaufort. The buildings are either flooded or some of the access to the schools are cut off by waters or landslides. The rain that has been persistent at the west coast of Sabah since last week is expected to end today. The gloomy weather with strong winds occurred in the wake of Typhoon Vongfong in the Philippines, as well as a collision between southwesterly and northwesterly winds at the South China Sea. Strong winds is expected to continue until Sunday as the typhoon is on course to hit Japan over the weekend. Tidak dapat menampung lah, jadi itu air akan melimpah di sini dan dia akan naik. This is Azlan Obakar reporting for NST Online.